Welcome to the course on one of the highly productive and proven data collection methods. The check sheets. Check sheets is an important and essential technique for effective and efficient data collection and analysis. It is a highly proven technique used by many industries for business process improvements. So, let's start the course. Present-day process-oriented business organizations need to collect data that are required for analysis and sharing with other departments for the purpose of planning, controlling and decision-making. Modern companies use enterprise resource planning systems, or customized database management systems, or some companies still rely on manual data collection and analysis. However, whatever the data collection requirement, the fundamental tool that is proven in the business and highly effective is the check sheet. It is the fundamental tool that could be easily designed and used to collect raw data from a production process or a business process. Collected data could be entered into a ERP system or process manually to make decisions, solve problems, and improve business processes. A defining characteristic of a check sheet is that data is recorded by making marks or checks on it. The check marks show how many times each particular value occurs, with the information collected becoming increasingly helpful as more data are collected. Main applications of a check sheet include registering how often different problems occur and registering the frequency of incidents that are believed to cause problems. Advantages of using check sheets. Check sheet is an effective way of displaying data. It is easy to use. Can identify the root cause of a problem. It is the first step in the construction of other graphical tools. Check sheets provides a structure for uniform data collection. And check sheets can be used to substantiate or refute allegations. What is check sheet? Check sheet is an easy-to-use form used to collect required data systematically and in simplest manner. In other words, check sheet is a format used as an aid in assembling, compiling, and analyzing data. When to use the check sheets? First of all, using a check sheet is appropriate when the data can be observed and collected repeatedly by either the same person or the same location. It is also an effective tool when collecting data on frequency and identifying patterns of events, problems, defects, and defect location, and for identifying defect causes. So, most of the times, use of check sheets are recommended in following situations. Use it when data is to be recorded manually, to ensure the data is accurately recorded and is easy to use later, either for direct interpretation or for transcription, for example into a computer. Use it when the recording involves counting, classifying, checking, or locating. Use it when it is useful to check each measurement as it is recorded, for example that it is within normal bounds. Use it when it is useful to see the distribution of measures as they are built up. Now, let's see what are the types of check sheets commonly used for data collection, analysis, and decision making. Production process distribution check sheets. This type of check sheets are used to collect data about the extent of variation in a production process. For example, variation of product specifications in the manufacturing process. Defective item check sheets. This type of check sheets are used to collect the kind of defects and calculate their percentages. For example, assessing types of defects and number of repetitive defects. Defect location check sheets. This type of check sheets are used to collect data on external defects such as scratches, scars, spots of dirt that are found on many kinds of products. For example, physically observable manufacturing defects in a product coming out from the production process. Defect cause check sheets. This type of check sheet is used to collect data on causes for defects. In other words, defect cause check sheets are used to identify the root cause for occurring such identified defects. Checkup confirmation check sheets. These check sheets are used to keep a record of operations performed to make sure that nothing is overlooked. In addition, there are many other types of check sheets used by professionals. Those have been designed to suit specific data collection, analysis, and decision-making requirements. Student guidelines. Please go to next topic that explains about the production process distribution check sheets and the defective item check sheets in detail.